Hi guys and welcome. This time I'm going to attempt to assemble a watch from parts I bought online. I've prepared my tools and my desk. Um, this is a first for me, so did my best to buy matching parts as far as I can tell. So this watch build will be based around the DG2803 movement. I'm not sure if this is authentic DG movement or maybe a Seagull variant. I have no idea. This is a hand winding hacking movement with day and date. Unfortunately, when I received the movement, the day wheel popped off and I wasn't able to put it back. And the hacking mechanism sort of broke off, but the movement still works. It hand winds, it no longer hacks, and the day wheel has been removed, so only the date wheel functions now. It is an automatic movement. It is a clone of the Miyota 8203, if I'm not mistaken. So when you buy a movement like this, a movement ring comes with it. So this holds the dial. This gives space for the calendar works to function when the dial is put on. Next thing I bought was a dial and a set of hands. If you notice, this is a Rolex style dial and hands. They look more like Submariner hands and dial. The cheapest one I could find online as of this moment. I'm sure cheaper ones will come along in the future. So the case is a Rolex style case. I don't know if it's a Rolex Explorer style case or maybe a Datejust or I'm not sure, but as far as I can tell, it looks like a Rolex Explorer case. Supposedly this will fit the DG2813 or the Miyota 8200 series. Sapphire crystal, screw down crown, and solid case back. It has a movement holder already in there, so ideally the movement should just fit right in the case, but we'll find out later. So the idea is to attach the dial to the movement, attach the hands, drop it in the case, and trim the winding stem and attach it to the crown. Hi guys. So this one is the finished watch. Well, technically not finished. I wasn't able to finish the video that I did in assembling this watch simply because I destroyed the movement that I was supposed to use. Reason being, the second hand was too tight and it broke the second hand pinion, and it actually broke something inside the movement that I could not fix. Anyway, I brought my backup movement out and I decided not to attach the second hand anymore, and so here's the watch. I assure you it's working, but of course no second hand, because I actually destroyed the second hand trying to attach it to the second hand pinion of the other movement. And so there you have it. It's a Rolex Explorer style watch. It's generic, no branding whatsoever, with the movement DG2813 with the day wheel removed, so it's just the date. Screw down crown, solid case back, sapphire crystal. So far it's making good time. I've used it for a little over 12 hours now. A little over 6 hours, sorry, not 12, 6 hours. So there you have it. Like, share, subscribe, enjoy.